It's your boy. I got some pickups for you guys. Do me a favor, drop a like down below. Follow me on the gram. 4 items for you guys, super simple. The first 2 coming from the 260 sample sale that I talked about last time, and 2 items from Pacsun because they were running a buy 1 get 2 free off the clearance. Starting with the 2 items from the 260 sample sale. The first one is this Undercover Dissociation t-shirt. This is a size 3, which equates to about a large. My dimensions are 5'6.5", coming in at 155 pounds. I love the abstract prints of it, and I love the word dissociation. I do love random word graphics that kind of are stuff that I resonate with. Definitely resonated with this one for sure. Retail on this was about $140 or $160, something like that, but I ended up picking it up for just $35. Shout out to 260. The second item comes from the most recent collection from Nike and Matthew Williams. This is the blue mock neck short sleeve yoga tee, I believe. But this is in the electric blue colorway, looks super sick. Again, this is a size medium. Retail was $150, picked this up for about $30. I just think it looks good. I would wear this as a standalone day-to-day piece, but I also wouldn't mind working out in it, especially for $30. Pretty cool. Moving on to the Pacsun items. Again, they were running a buy 1 get 2 free off the clearance. I picked up 2 items for myself. My best friend has the other one. First off, we got the matching Awge Pacsun Mercedes-Benz collab hoodies. First of all, the quality of them are great. I've been looking at this hoodie for a while, but they're retail for $160. They went down to about $110. So we ended up buying them, splitting it, so I ended up paying about $55 for it. I think it looks pretty good. This is a size medium. Definitely recommend going true to size. They are pretty thick, so keep that in mind. Think Champion reverse weave, but just a little bit thicker. Next one, I'm moving on to this, or the final item, shall I say, moving on to this neon green, almost mohair-esque cardigan. Retail on this was about $70. Again, this was my free item. I got this in a size medium. I definitely have a few outfits in mind for this cardigan. It fits super good. It's pretty comfortable. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know which item is your favorite. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Excuse the mess. I'm trying to figure out what to wear tonight. But we just picked up B's 5s. These are sick. Crazy thing is I've been eyeing these for a while too. And now seeing them in hand, man. I want a pair because I got these 5s, right? And you know, they're bulky because you know they're 5s, but I've always liked the 5 silhouette. But then like the 5 lows go kind of crazy. I don't want to match, but like the cream is hard. So that's crazy.
Yeah. What's up, guys? We're back at it again with another shoe review. We got here the Low 5s women's collab. All right. It's
collab.
Collection. It's a very nice creme color that we got going on here. They went ahead and added that like graffiti splat to it. All right. I don't know if you know this brand right here. Exclusive jump. Tight beat. I'm gonna have to gatekeep for a little while, but just know you will see these in a moment.
Yeah. In the next clip, you'll see us finding an outfit for this, right, B? Mm-hmm. Also, repeat the hoodie. Right. You know?
Another exclusive collab.
And then just right back there. We had the same idea. This time it wasn't planned, actually. I just happened to pick that hoodie up.
Exactly.
We like that. This is the first fit, you know? Looking fucking great. I gotta see the other pants too, though, because again, that's the main thing is the pants. They're not bad. Like they look good, but we have some other options.
Yeah, these are different. I mean, they're definitely wider on the bottom than I thought.
Yeah.
Or look,
if they were that wide, but a little bit longer, and like the fray was even.
Yeah. I didn't think that they weren't gonna drape over the shoe at all.
This is my fit. Black wax denim with the 5s. The shirt's kind of wide, short, and boxy, but. And she enters. Damn. I like that.
Kind of like it.
I like that. I like this one. It sits perfectly right behind. I like this one better.
Yeah.
Look at your little cute self. Look at that shit.
Just a little bit of ironing.
I ain't gonna lie. I don't think we need to try on the other two.
No, the other two were not an option.
Okay.
I don't think rips is the way to go.
No, I like this.
But this is clean, casual.
Looks good. All right, what do we think about mine?
I think that the shirt looks better than I thought it did.
But there's hesitation in your voice.
That was the only outfit you brought for it, though.
I mean, I have the gray tee, but you know, I could put this. So the thing is, I could put the silk shirt on, like that one, with these pants, but then I have to be boots. I think. I don't think I could wear these.
There's nothing wrong with a second opinion. We could ask my uncle. Yeah.
Yeah.
The more that I look at it, I like it.
All right, fine, we'll do it. So we have come to the conclusion that this fit is too safe. It's a very Matthew fit, but last time I went to the fights, I wore a variation of this. I'll put it on screen. You can check the video right here, but I wore this. And last time when we went to dinner, I wore this shirt, same boots, I think, with a different pair of pants. So this is just a really safe fit. I'm trying to go with the black wax denim and the black top. Good chow. I mean, ooh woo. Final fits. Voila.
Yeah, to the Met Gala.